We've traveled a little bit from the lows of 15,800. We are at about 17,300 odd. Whatever little I read about, fundamentally at least, doesn't seem to be pointing towards necessarily a trend getting built on the upside, or for sure a breakdown happening at the downside. We kind of got somewhere in between. What are the charts telling you technically?
Yes, Neeraj, just like every downtrend starts with a feeling that, okay, it's just a correction and the markets will bounce back and go on to make new highs. What happened in October last year when we first started to correct at 18,600. Similarly, after we see a rebound after a bottom, it is usually led by short covering and the fact that there is fear of missing out. And as you rightly said, it's very tentative right now because there is one camp that believes that the market cannot sustain and will go back and retest and maybe make new lows. And there is another smaller camp which believes that a lot of the negatives are already in the price and therefore it can continue to move higher. The way I read it, I want to be in that smaller camp. I think the market seems to be stabilizing really well. It is showing a lot of maturity. Having digested this excellent move from 15,600 to 17,300, it seems to have just got sideways, which is a very positive sign. And if you look at the last 5 months, every time after a pullback, the market showed the urgency to go off, come off quite a bit and break support levels very quickly. This is something which has not happened in this attempt. The participation is better. The volume activity is good. The market has stopped reacting to news flow on the guns and cannons. India VIX has come off, quite a bit in the recent past. Mid caps have started to participate. Global markets have stabilized quite a bit. And there are no negative triggers at this point of time, which was the case during every pullback of the last 5 to 6 months. So I think the market is consolidating really well. It seems to be in this band of 16,900, 17,350. My sense is that it is going to break out on the upside. And once that breakout happens, I think you will see a gradual move towards 17,800 and eventually 18,100. So I would be positive on the charts, and I'm in the camp which believes that the bottom has been made. And also another reason why the market is a little tentative right now is because this is March end. Everybody has their tax planning. There is so much that has happened in the equity markets. So I think we will remain subdued for another 3-4 days. But as we get into April, I think the bullish momentum is going to pick up.